The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla! Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. Yes, I'm here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I have a video that I'm going to present to you, and according to some things that have been said on social media about this video that I'm about to present to you, it is said that this video shows how a taxi operator had been arrested or detained by the police somewhere within the country of Jamaica. Alright? Now, I want you to take a look at this video and tell me who you think was wrong, viewers and subscribers. You see me? You can tell me if you think the taxi operator was wrong or if you think the police was wrong. You see me? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
What is fine? What you or something, boss. Put on your mask. You can't put on your mask for talk to me. Yes, yeah, man. Put on your mask for talk to me. You're parking properly. Just put on your mask for talk to me, please and thanks. You're parking properly and I'm asking you to remove it. What is your name, sir? Can I identify yourself? This is my name. Who? Brissett. What can I Brissett? Sergeant Brissett. Sergeant P. Albert. Alright, where is somebody now, Mr. Brissett? What time I get faster, you take it from me, so I'm going to tell you that. Entrance. What's the entrance for a block? You're blocking the entrance of the gas station. Oh, hold on, Mr. Brissett. There's a top street go all the way down the line. Sorry, sorry, man, I apologize. That is the gas station. Sorry, boss. The block is the entrance of the gas station. This is top street, Mr. Brissett. This is Ruby's gas pump. I talk to the boss, he said no make no complaint about me parking here, so. Each time Mr. Brissett come, Mr. Brissett can have a problem with me, and to me it is personal. This is something personal having Mr. Brissett. You understand what I'm saying? I'm asking you to remove the car. If not, I'm going to arrest you. Oh, sir. You. For what? Why are you arrest me for? Because you refuse to comply. Alright, I don't care my car so much, I'm going to see what your problem. I'm going to really find what is the problem today. Listen. No, Mr. Brissett, no, sir. Listen, don't tell me that, man. Hold on, just look on this. Just me. You never tell no lie for me. You're the point video. Come on. Mr. Brissett, you're the point record. I'm asking you to remove the car. I move to my vehicle, but I move my car. I jam me. Where you jam me for? Where you supposed to? I've been saying that for you. You must move the vehicle, right? I move the vehicle, right? I jam me. Where you jam me? Where you jam me? No, man, anywhere you come into me, I'm going. Can I make sure you say the point video? You understand what I'm saying? Where is that I'm clear? I know that I'm on video. So what I know, my vehicle is insecure. Yeah, listen now. Mr. Brissett, my vehicle is insecure. Can you let me go close my vehicle? Officer. No police, nobody can go in my car. Nobody can go in my car. No, man, I'm good, man. Every time I walk around. Handcuff. Why you put handcuff on me for? Man, I'm close to my vehicle. I don't know what I'm doing. But I know what I'm going today. Come on. Mr. Brissett, can I close my vehicle, sir? Please and thanks. Take up that film, man. Can I close my vehicle, sir? Please and thanks. Since you refuse to move it, I'm going to remove it for you. You're liar. You're the video. Since you refuse to move it, you're liar. I'm going to move my vehicle. I must move the vehicle. And you make me phone the police so you jam me from the vehicle. You can't let me go. I'm going to move the vehicle, sir. Please and thanks. What my vehicle do right so? I don't so I cannot traffic my vehicle or outstruck or anything. You say if you move me, I move. You jam me back. What is the problem, sir? I need to know. What happened? We need to know what happened today. Why you want to? Mr. Brissett, why you hang on for my clothes? Go in the vehicle. I'm not going in the vehicle for no reason at all. You have to explain to me why I'm not going in the vehicle. Mr. Brissett, don't jar and pull me. I talk to me lawyer already about this. You understand what I'm saying? Mr. Brissett, please fill up my clothes. I have warned you so many times not to park here and which one I park? I ask which one I park? I park on the road, I obstructing the traffic, what I do? But I ask you, Mr. Brissett, please and thanks. You're up on live, you know. You're up on Facebook live. My telephone now, Mr. Brissett. I know. But more often, you know, why you hold on for me? That more know. So why you hold on for me? I know. What me do make you hold on for me? Me resist any arrest for any offense? No. Why you hold on for my clothes? I don't know. Mr. Brissett, please let me clothes for me. I ask you, please and thanks. Listen now. Let me go lock up my vehicle. I'm coming to the vehicle. You want to hear what I am under arrest. Hold on. Yes, go on. You're under arrest for parking improperly at the gas station. Under arrest for parking improperly? Blocking the entrance.
Blocking the entrance of the gas station.
Who's gas station? Who instructed me block on the gas station?
Nobody have to instruct me. Blocking the entrance. Listen up.
Which entrance have to go on? Which one have to pump? To go on what? Which entrance? What drive to go there, Mr. Willis?
Are you gonna let me tell you? Yeah, take the picture.
Me not have to take you the palm video, Mr. Wallace, because I need to know. Why you say me block up and block
Blocking the entrance and you were instructed to move the car and you refused.
No, it's a palm video. You tell lie for me.
Yeah.
The attempt to move the vehicle and you pull me back. Everybody see.
Yeah.
Everybody see you pull me back. So me ask you please, make me go close up my vehicle. Can I go close up my vehicle? You fine now?
No.
No, he said, when you say me I block up the pump.
I did not say that.
He said me park for the entrance of the gas station. And I block up the gas station. Me I block up the Ruby's gas station. See Ruby's gas station. Me I block up Ruby's gas pump. Mr. Brissett, you put yourself in trouble. Because I'm not going. You tell lie for me last time. You tell lie for me last time. I'm not going to tell you no more for me today.
With the right of Ruby's gas.
Yeah, man, ain't come, man. You have to set for me, brother. You need to stop it. You need to stop it. You see much weak. Me, I say, I'm not interfering with you. You need to top text it for me now, Mr. Smith. You need to text it for me now. I'm talking to Mr. Smith about it. I'm talking to Mr. Milton about it already. Stop and text it for me. I'm not commit an offense. I'm not do nothing wrong. My vehicle park up there, not loading or nothing.
Come now.
What, Mr. Smith, I'm not going to leave my vehicle, boss. I'm not going to leave my vehicle unattended. I'm going to lose anything outside.
Call the record.
Yeah, man. Call the record fast. Me want to see Chico when he come to come car right there, so. Me want to see that today. I tell them I want to see that. How long time want you to copy? Oh. Boss, me need to lock up my vehicle. Go which vehicle? Go and lock up my car there for me. Go and lock up my car there for me. No, man, just lock it down. Just lock it down. No one will take up my car for already. Why not? I don't know. This man just come and shake me. I'm not in class. I'm having to come over this one video. So I'm good. Yeah, man. Why not the glass? Why not the glass? I'll lock you down and key. Go and give me. I'm having to video from start to finish. Come on, no one will do this man this morning. I'm so happy for phone. Facebook when I saw go on, right? Couple weeks ago, this man tell me I can't block in and everything. I can't block in and I never threaten this man. Now this man don't come tell me so anyway, see me car, not take up my car and see it there. See me car park there, it's not obstruct no traffic, no nothing, it's top street there. See government road, go down the road there. I go straight to so. My car no obstruct no traffic, no nothing at all. You understand what I say? Nothing at all, my car no obstruct no traffic. No, man. You know, can't go. This man just a text for me for no reason at all, I don't know for what. He makes several complaint on him. Me need to know exactly what's going on here. He locked up last time unlawfully, no reason at all. Facebook, make sure I not come myself, because I not tell no lie for me today. No lie, this not tell for me today, none whatsoever. Just lock the door and car key, come give me. If I recommend to take up the car today, I'm coming to himself. Me have more than one car, you have to learn that. Last time this man not tell me, say, he used to run about them thief in bus, like me know anything about bus. No response to nothing about your bus, you hear my boss? Me no response to nothing about nothing I go on so. You understand what I say? Alright. Give me key, no brother, give me key, man. Respect. I'm going to car now, boss.
Yeah.
You can't look up me close, sir.
Go on, man.
Boss, you can't look up me close.
When me arrest me, I have to lay hold for you, so the law say. Yeah.
You're not going to tell you, come, you know what, boss? Boss,
sit down in
don't touch it, don't put on for me.
You can't tell me that, man.
Yeah, man, say don't put on for me, that me say.
Go over in the vehicle, man.
Boss, they're going to can't stop put on for me.
Go over in the vehicle.
Hey. Yo. No man, everything good, but you not gonna abuse me. No man, you can't go for the court, man. Oh, you can't go.
Go on, go over in.
No man, you see them can drive, you man.
Go over in. I want pay, man.
Come man, you're not forced to do, man. No man, everything blessed, man. Everything blessed. You're young. Don't make this man come up and come here. I warn you. Please, my beggar. You're young. Alright. Personal thing this man carry for me, brother. What's your problem, no boss? What's your problem again? You not flap nothing, man. You can't walk going to the station. What do you want to open? You can't walk with lock. Where do you man?
Viewers and subscribers, you see camera phone, you see camera phones. I give thanks for camera phones. You see? Yeah, camera phones can be used to video record what's going on between you and a person. So therefore, you have evidence to show what happened. So if you're in the right, you can prove say you're in the right. See me? Some of the times I wonder what would happen if there was no camera phone to video record what's going on between a police and a civilian. You see me? Sometimes I wonder that, you know. You see? I see thing about it is too, you know. Some civilians don't act right whenever them see police, you know, or when police are do them job, you know. That is our next thing too, you know. See me? Because you have good police, you have bad police, you have good civilians, you have bad civilians. So I'm not here trying to defend one side. I'm not thinking about how the other side might feel or so forth. No, me not depend that. You see me? Me is the person who deal with truths. I'm deal with the rights. You see me? I said to you. See? Now, it's when me look at that video, and I really me look at that video, the only thing me I go say about that video is that the motorist said that he's going to move the vehicle. And what I saw happen, I think that the officer could have given the motorist a little time to move that vehicle if he really and truly intended to move the vehicle. See? However, I don't know what really happened before this video had been recorded. See me? So, me is the kind of person I don't want to get up and say, oh, indirectly wrong or right. But, you see, that little part, that's all me I say still. But, me still I think about what happened before this video had been recorded. You see? Overall still, judging by some of the things that I saw and heard in that video, it look away. It look away as to how the motorist had been arrested. You see me I say to you? However, me still I think about what happened before this video had been recorded. Alright, here's where I'm going to leave it to our viewers and subscribers. Big up and respect to each and every one. You can let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you. Alright? And until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla.